Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial. This is another holiday glam, and if you like it, please keep watching. These little gold puffs are gold infused, and the company reached out to me with a code to share with my friends, so I'm gonna share it down in the description box below. This code will get you about 20 pairs for just 15 cents. I made sure to take these extra steps because I want my skin to look dewy. If you don't have extra dry skin like I do, you can most definitely skip the serums and oils and the glow ahead that I'm using right now. It's a primer that has a little bit of, I guess, shimmer in it. So when you put your foundation on, you can glow. And I love to glow in the winter. This Vita Liberata is the GOAT. When I want to skip foundation and still have that glow, this is what I use on my face, so I'm not packing on too much things and I still get that glow that I want. Also, instead of powder and powder contour, I use a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe to contour my cheekbones and my forehead and my nose, and this is what I used here. So I decided I'm gonna leave the way I do my lips extra long. I always crop it out because lipstick is just lipstick, but I get a lot of questions asking how I do my lips, surprisingly. So basically just lining my lips, outline, and then I draw these lines one down the center of the bottom lip and 2 on the upper lip. Then you're going to get a lighter but very similar color to the one you used to line your lips, and just dab that on and blend those lines. Not too much, because that kind of gives the effect of the plumpness and they make them look bigger. And then you top it off with a gloss, and that's all I do. No extra outline, and they still look plumper than before. Look it, extra dulce. And that completes this holiday look. I really hope you guys try it out. I hope that you love it. And if you do, please drop the comments down below. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.